Hey, I'm Jared Lanham, and welcome back to Refinersforge. So today I'm actually going to be replacing the engine on my Harbor Freight bandsaw mill. Not because the engine's bad, but just because I'm going to put a bigger one on it, so hopefully it'll mill a little faster, and it has an electric start, which will be a big benefit. So let's get started. So the mill comes with 301cc, which is about an 8 horsepower engine on it, and so what I am replacing it with is a 420cc, which is, let's say, I think it's about 14 horsepower. Sitting on here, you see, because the engine's bigger, the mounting holes don't line up, so I'm gonna have to cut a new groove back here. Alright, so I'm going to have to take out this bar here because it's going to be right in the middle of where these bolts go in, and then I'll put it back after I get the motor mounted. Well, successfully got the new engine mounted on the mill. I'm excited about it. Seems to be working. So the manual says it has a 3-hour break-in period. You're not supposed to run at full RPM or high load. So I'm just going to let it run for a while. But if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. I'll try to get back to you. And don't forget to hit that like button for me. And it'd be absolutely fantastic if you shared and or subscribed. And don't forget you can find Refinersforge on Facebook and Instagram. Most of my content is about forging and metalwork. So we will see you next time at Refinersforge.